Hey guys, I got some questions here about adding in Homelink to your vehicles in the 2014, 2017, and I believe 2018 Silverados or Sierras. So to add in the Homelink feature, which will be up here in your top console, it is one of the most easiest mods that you can do to your vehicle today. Simply open up your sun visor here, which then will allow you to reach this little lip, pop this down. Within here, you will use a T8 torque screwdriver, and there will be two bolts, one here and one on the other side, right in there. And again, that is T8 torques. So we'll take those out. Once we take those out, there's two clips over there and on this side. Kind of got to use a little bit of force to get them out, but don't do it. I'm so tight. There we go. So once that is out, there is simply one connector right here. All we do to release this connector, pretty straightforward. All the power is now out of there. Take that out. That's how easy it is to remove it. There. That's your top roof console. Simple. So this one again is just your basic one. Now, if you want to add Homelink, which is your remote control garage door opener, that is going to be up here. As you'll see, the little home function. These three buttons, you can program anything that is wireless with an FR transmitter on there, like your garage doors, but also, like you see another video that I have with the wireless light bar mod, you can actually program your light bar, if you have a wireless receiver on your light bar, onto one of these, and that's what I've done. So adding this back in is very, very, very simple. Again, all you have to do is plug it in to this. That's it. It's ready to go. This is already pre-wired for the power to supply the Homelink feature. The Homelink feature is going to be this right here, this little device. This thing, Homelink. So if you want to add this, all you need to do is order part number GM234525545. Again, that's 234525545. It may or may not already have the Homelink module in there. If not, that part number will be GM22809886. Again, that's 22809886. I found this whole console together with the Homelink on eBay. I think it was for $60, and that was shipping with shipping. So you can find these, they're out there, just look for them. All you pretty much have to do is Google 2014 Silverado top console or 2014 Silverado Homelink. You'll find them all over the web. You'll find them on eBay, Amazon, wherever you want to look. But you can get them fairly cheap, and to add this in there, it gives you a little bit of options. You can easily add in wireless light bar switches and make it kind of factory looking for your switches instead of having something drilled into your dash. You can, no more garage door openers stuck to your eye visors, so it's a great option. So let me go ahead and throw this back in here and show you how easy this is. This is pretty hard to do with one hand. Give me 1 second here. It's up there and in, but now I just have to install the screws, which again is just right up in there and on this side right there. Well, if you have any question, guys, just be sure to give me a shout, drop me a comment, like the video if this is any kind of helpful to you, and I'll be sure to put some more out there. Thanks, guys. Bye for now.